true or tricky? Everyday Choices Game. Hey there, habit heroes. Welcome to True or Tricky, the game where we test your knowledge about the choices you make every day. Are your habits helping you grow like a strong tree? Or are they holding you back like some wild plants? Remember, good habits are like planting seeds in healthy soil. They grow into strong, awesome results. But bad habits? They're like planting seeds in dry, rocky dirt. Not much good grows there. Today, we're diving into some real-life situations about taking responsibility, managing your time, caring for your belongings. Here's how it works. We'll show you a statement. You decide, is it true, a strong habit, or tricky, a habit that seems okay but causes problems? Then we'll break it down together and reflect on how you can grow better habits. Ready? Let's play True or Tricky. Chapter 1. Personal Responsibility. Statement. If I leave my homework until the last minute, I can still get it done. Answer: tricky. While it's possible to finish homework last minute, it often leads to stress and lower quality work. Planning ahead ensures better results and less anxiety. How do you feel when you rush to complete assignments? Statement. Doing a little bit of homework each day helps me stay on track. Answer: true. Great strategy. Breaking tasks into smaller parts makes them manageable and reduces overwhelm. Level up. Try setting a daily homework schedule to build consistency. Statement. If I misplace something, someone else will find it for me. Answer: tricky. Relying on others to find your belongings isn't dependable. Taking responsibility ensures your items are safe and accessible. What system can you create to keep track of your things? Statement. Keeping my backpack organised helps me find things quickly. Answer: true. Absolutely. An organised space saves time and reduces frustration. Level up. Spend 5 minutes each evening tidying your backpack. Statement. If I wait until I'm reminded multiple times, it's still okay. Answer: tricky. Delaying action can lead to missed opportunities and shows a lack of respect for others' time. How can you remind yourself to act promptly? Statement. Listening carefully the first time helps me understand tasks better. Answer: true. Great job. Active listening ensures clarity and efficiency. Level up. Practice summarizing instructions in your own words. Statement. It's better to hide the truth if it avoids trouble. Answer: tricky. Avoiding the truth can lead to bigger issues later. honesty builds trust and integrity. Can you recall a time when honesty improved a situation? Statement: admitting when I'm wrong shows maturity. Answer: true. Absolutely. Owning up to mistakes is a sign of strength and responsibility. Level up. Reflect on a recent mistake and what you learned from it. Statement: if I fail once, it's pointless to try again. Answer: tricky. Failure is a part of learning. Each attempt brings you closer to success. What motivates you to keep trying after setbacks? Statement: learning from mistakes helps me improve. Answer: true. Exactly. Reflecting on errors leads to growth and better outcomes. Level up. After a mistake, identify one lesson learned and how to apply it. Chapter 2. Responsibility with belongings and money. Statement: it's okay to leave my belongings anywhere. I'll remember where they are. Answer: tricky. Leaving items randomly increases the chance of losing them. Designated spots help keep things safe. What designated place can you use for your important items? Statement: checking my belongings before leaving helps prevent loss. Answer: true. Great habit. A quick check ensures nothing is forgotten. Level up. Create a checklist for items you need daily. Statement: if I see something I like, I should buy it immediately. Answer: tricky. Impulse buying can lead to regret. It's better to consider if the item is necessary. What questions can you ask yourself before making a purchase? Statement: saving up for something special makes the purchase more rewarding. Answer: true. Absolutely. Delayed gratification often leads to more satisfaction. Level up. Set a savings goal for an item you really want. Statement: there's no point in saving. I should enjoy my money now. Answer: tricky. While enjoying money is fun, saving ensures you can afford bigger or more important things later. How do you balance spending and saving? Statement: writing down tasks helps me stay organized. Answer: true. Excellent. Planners are great tools for managing responsibilities. Level up. Try using a planner for a week and note the difference. Statement: being a little late doesn't matter. Answer: tricky. Tardiness can disrupt schedules and show a lack of respect for others' time. What steps can you take to ensure punctuality? Statement: preparing my things the night before helps me be on time. Answer: true. Great approach. Preparation reduces morning stress and delays. Level up. Create a nightly checklist for the next day's needs. Statement: I should finish my homework before playing. Answer: true. Absolutely. Completing responsibilities first makes playtime more enjoyable. Level up. Set specific times for homework and play to maintain balance. Statement: if I don't feel like doing something now, I should wait until I feel ready. Answer: tricky. Waiting for motivation can lead to tasks piling up. Starting tasks promptly builds momentum. What strategies help you start tasks you're avoiding? Statement: playing first helps me relax. Then I can do homework. Answer: tricky. While relaxation is important, delaying homework can lead to procrastination and increased stress. What routine helps you balance work and play effectively? Statement: starting tasks early gives me more free time later. Answer: true. Exactly. Early completion reduces stress and opens up time for other activities. Level up. Identify one task you can start earlier this week. Awesome work, Habit Heroes! Every true or tricky you answered was a chance to learn, and every reflection helps you grow. So, what seeds did you plant today? What habit will you grow next? You've got this. See you in the next round of True or Tricky. And keep being awesome.